Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a best 9 for your Instagram in your Apple. So let's go to your Safari. Here you have to open this website 2017 best9.com. So far this is the best website I found. Here you just have to write your username and click that. And it will bring your best 9, and below the total likes to post and all details are there. If you want square, it will be just a square without much detail. I'll stay with the original one, and from here you can directly share it to Facebook or Twitter, and in the screen you can long press for the download menu and click save image. And let's go back to Instagram. Let's post. Okay, so here is the picture we just created, best 9. Just click next. Give your hashtag you want to give. Yep, 2018 best 9. Okay, yeah, and we're done. Okay guys, that's it. So likewise you can make it best 9 in your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys.